Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to draw cup and handle in TradingView. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to understand and apply the cup and handle formation in their trading strategy. It's a well-known chart pattern that suggests a potential bullish continuation, meaning it could signal an upward trend in the market. Let's jump into the details so you can confidently identify and draw this pattern yourself. First things first, we need to recognize the pattern. The cup and handle formation starts with the cup, which is marked by a smooth U-shaped rounded bottom. This part of the pattern appears after an uptrend and represents a period of consolidation. A key point to remember is that the left and right rims of the cup, where the price faces resistance, should be roughly equal. Picture it like a symmetrical shape with a gentle dip and rise. After the cup, we move on to the handle. The handle is a smaller pullback or a slight downward drift that usually lasts from 1 to 4 weeks. This part of the pattern typically shows a retracement of about 30 to 50% of the cup's depth. Spotting this handle is crucial, as it leads us to the breakout point. During the cup formation, you might notice a drop in trading volume. But as the price edges near the breakout, above the handle, keep an eye out for a spike in volume. This serves as a confirmation of the pattern's potential success. Now, let's get into drawing the pattern in TradingView. To draw the cup, you can use TradingView's arc or curve tool. This tool helps you trace the U-shaped rounding of the bottom accurately, providing a clear visual cue to ensure what you're seeing is indeed the cup part of the pattern. Once you've drawn this curve, mark the resistance level using a horizontal line that connects the points where both sides of the cup face resistance. This line acts as a baseline for the expected breakout. Next, we tackle the handle. Starting from the right edge of your cup, use a trend line to link the highs during the pullback period. This line should slope downward, showing the handle's drift pattern. This visualization helps you understand the handle's formation and anticipate when a breakout might happen. There's an additional step you might find useful when drawing the handle. You can mark the lower boundary of the handle's pullback. This step is particularly valuable if you want to set a stop-loss level, providing a point below which you might decide to exit the trade to manage risk effectively. And that's it. With these steps, you now have a comprehensive guide to identifying and drawing the cup and handle pattern in TradingView. This should help you incorporate this pattern into your trading strategy more confidently. This guide helped you easily master how to draw cup and handle in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.